The global economy is still cooking up decent enough food, but the kitchen is one heck of a mess. Investors expect 2026 to serve up more of the same. In this next report, we dive into the risks and bets in this new year. Take a look.
"2026 is shaping up to be just as chaotic, high stakes, and unpredictable as 2025 was. The dish is still a mess from last year's strong spices. The main risks are the new NATO defense spending targets and US President Trump's Liberation Day tariffs. In the case of Ukraine, a forced peace deal may introduce new long-term risks rather than stability. The world is still a hotbed of geopolitical uncertainty. The U.S. Supreme Court is yet to rule on Trump's tariffs. The trade tensions between the U.S. and China and more between Europe and Beijing seem to be baked in as the new normal. Yet, despite all the heat, financial markets and global economy remained relatively unscathed. While looking ahead to 2026, the American economy is expected to cool down after getting a little too hot. There will be turbulence, but the executive chiefs will seek to use additional fiscal stimulus and rate cuts to overcome some of those risks. Higher tariffs will have a delayed effect next year. All that money spent on artificial intelligence will have an effect as well. Market moves question if that is a bubble. Well, nobody knows just yet. As for Europe, the master chef is Germany. Whether Berlin follows through on its pledge spending surge will determine growth expectation. While very little has made it to the table thus far, France is expected to struggle to fill a budget hole. UK GDP has not shown any growth since June, and the risk of a recession has risen. While the country has managed to announce a balanced budget, the risks remain. Still, Europe could surprise to the upside. In Asia, bets on India to be a bright spot in an otherwise gloomy global economy continue into 2026. The government's GST and income tax cuts, 100% FDI in insurance, and widening the pension investments pool are expected to boost growth further. On the other hand, China is expected to see growth slow down more significantly next year without fiscal stimulus. The real estate recession and deepening deflation remain the top risks. Japan, under a new prime minister, is expected to see pro-growth policies, but rising tensions with China are predicted to weigh on the economy. But overall, the outlook for 2026 is more of the same. Business Bureau Report, WION, World is One.